Hello again, Facebook, YouTube. We doing another job. We got a 2007 Ford F-150 two-wheel drive. We're replacing the radiator. As you see, the radiator is leaking. All the coolant. Well, it's water now because we have to test it. It's no longer coolant, and I guess that was the reason that makes it to leak, because it was no coolant in here, and it's been getting real cold lately, and guess the radiator blew out. So we now here replacing the radiator for this 2007 Ford 4.6. We already start taking the intake uh, tube, and we're about to replace take the hose off, take this cover off, take the transmission and the lower hose, and we about to start right now. We at the customer house uh, doing this job. So if you need something similar, well, you can call us, or if you need something else, we can come and help you out. Our number is 832-618-7291. Again, our number is 832-618-7291, and we can help you with any job that in Houston area. So call us if you need a hand or if you need a help. Thanks.